Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learner Zone. If you like our content, then do drop your comment and let us know your reviews. And if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe to Learner Zone. Today's video is about official notification of academic session 2021 for Panjab University Chandigarh, when and how admissions and online classes will start and take place. So, we will be discussing in detail. Let's start. At first, go to the official website of Panjab University. This is the official website of Panjab University, and here are all the news and updates. How to pay a fee online for your admissions or for your entrance dates. Schedule for entrance test, admission schedule and admission for undergraduate courses and admission for postgraduate courses. Earlier, entrance test was compulsory and was prior to your admissions, and the entrance result makes you decide your course and help you in admission. But now, all the entrance exams are being postponed due to COVID-19, like CET for undergraduate. It is now on 4th October 2020. And CET PG is rescheduled on 10th October 2020. So, knowing about the schedule of entrance test 2020 and after that admission schedule 2020, revised admission notice for this session. Here, they have mentioned for all the students who have already applied for entrance test to be held in July or August are required to submit online admission form for their respective courses, either undergraduate or postgraduate, latest by 8th of August, irrespective of the declaration of result of the qualifying exam or entrance test. So this is the important part, irrespective of the declaration of result, because the undergraduate and postgraduate entrance tests are rescheduled in the month of October. So admissions are taking place by the end of July or the starting of August. So apply your admissions form. Here they have mentioned all the admission form of the courses that are to be submitted online. They have mentioned 6 sub-points, and they have also mentioned the courses like MSc Honours and their particular subjects that you can apply for your online course. MSc, MTech, ME, MCA, MCom and so on. Also for the LLB courses you can apply online. Courses based on aptitude, courses without entrance and aptitude test. So you have to apply for your admissions without the result of entrance for the first time. Earlier it used to be that entrance was compulsory and was prior to your admissions. At the end they have also mentioned that detail of courses and the eligibility criteria and the number of seats can be downloaded from this link that is mentioned on their website, which will be available from the first week of July 2020. And the candidates seeking admission in sports category shall, along with admission form, submit the certificate documents in the office. So you have to apply online without even the date declaration of the entrance test. So further moving on to the online classes. So as of no particular date when the classes are going to start, will there be online or offline session? So there is no particular date being mentioned when the course will start or when the college will start. So they have already mentioned only the entrance details, admission details, but no classes resuming details. So they have posted an official notification on their Panjab University website on Facebook page. You can visit Panjab University Chandigarh on Facebook or @official.pu.india, and you can check there. They have mentioned online classes for academic session 2021 will start with effect from 3rd of August and would end by 28th of November with 6 days week to cover up the loss of due to COVID-19 pandemic. For undergraduate first year, classes likely to start from 1st September in PU and its affiliated colleges. For more updates, visit their website as we have already done for puchd.ac.in, and they have also mentioned an academic calendar to mark the dates. Like for PU and other colleges, they have made separate columns. For academic term 1 from 3rd of August to November 28, that is first sem or the first term, admissions are from July 27 to August 28, and for colleges for 27 July to 22nd of August. For online classes for the old students, they are going to start from 3rd of August and exams will be in December as earlier, and the winter vacations are same in the December to January. For the second academic term, that is likely to be from the next year January to May 7th, online classes will be from 4th of January. So most likely the session would be an online session and the classes will be online from 3rd of August for the old students. Now for the students who are new admission in colleges and in PU department, so they are likely that their colleges will be starting from 1st of September after this whole procedure of admissions is done. So they are directly being promoted to the next class. So for all the second year and the third year students that are going to be in the session, for old students, the classes will be going to start from 3rd of August. That will be the pattern, will be online classes. And for the academic term 2, the online classes will be from 4th of January. PU Evening Department, first year admission in the evening department for undergraduates will be from 12th August to 22nd of August. And new admissions in colleges that I have already told you will be starting from 3rd August to 22nd, and classes for the new admissions will be from September 1st. No exam for intermediate classes. That means for old students. Punjab University has decided that all students except those in their final year will be promoted to the next class. However, the procedure regarding their grades or marks will be decided later. Admissions to postgraduate classes will be decided after a call is taken on the assessment for the undergraduate classes. No decision is made on conducting exam for the final year students. So that means for old students, online classes from 3rd of August, and for the new admissions, the classes are from 1st of September. Thank you for watching. If you like our content and it is useful for you, then do like, share and subscribe.